Hey guys, I am back in the car again. I'm ready for another trip, and today I'm gonna go to the Battenkill, one of my favorite rivers that's close to me. It's only about 45 minutes away. And the spot I went to last time wasn't very good, but I haven't been to this spot in quite a while, so I'm gonna give it a shot. It's a good spot to use streamers and nymphs, and I want to try out the new Prince legs that I made. I might put a dropper under the Prince legs, maybe a Rainbow Warrior or something like that. And for the streamer, I'm going to try White Death or a White Zonker that I have, a pretty small one. And I'm going to use that after I do the nymph setup on the indicator, see what happens. Weather's pretty good. Looks like it's barely any wind and it's just about near freezing. The water levels should be good. I'm just hoping that the ice isn't too far into the water so I can get out there and wade. Yeah, we'll have to take a look when we get there and see what the river looks like. So here we go. I'll be there in a few minutes. I don't know if you can see this, but it looks like a lot of the Battenkill is frozen over right now. So I'm hoping that when I get there, it won't be. But yeah, look at that. You can't fish that. I thought I just might show you quick. One of the things I like to do in the wintertime, chapstick, slather it on the guides near the top. And then your finger, just rub it in. This will keep the ice off your guides for a hot minute. All right, I'm going in. Hopefully don't slide down the hill. As I was driving down the road on the way here, it looked like this section was pretty free of ice, believe it or not. So it should be good. It's going to be a little bit lower. It's okay with me. It's running about 400 CFS. I did forget to bring my White Death fly, unfortunately, but I got the Prince legs and I got a massive White Zonker that I'm not going to test until after I run through the spot with the nymphs first. So first thing I'm going to do is the Prince legs, have it go through a couple of the runs, and if that's not working, I'll probably tie a second dropper nymph under that. Okay, yeah, it's pretty low. You can see the beach. Great. Got a little ice shelf there, perfect to put the rod on. It's looking good though. Oh God. Again. Holy shit. Got one. It's a nice one. Oh, it's fighting too. Is this the same fish again? No, it's another rainbow. Oh, it's a brown. Fucking monster brown. Holy shit, it's beautiful.